I was sent this really cool product to do a review on. So let me bring you in a little bit closer and show you what it's all about. All right, let's get this open. Very nice packaging. This is the Cat Calming Pheromone Diffuser Kit. Soothing and relaxing, effective reduce anxiety and stress behaviors caused by new environment, scratching, urine spraying, alone at home, veterinary visits, loud noises, visitors, multi-cat conflict. It's easy to use and set up. 30-day refills, lasts up to 30 days. Odorless, covers up to 700 square foot, safe for both cats and humans. So what's in the box? We've got 2 refills and then the little device that holds it. Very easy to set up, and we'll go over that here in a minute. In the box you also got directions, kind of shows you how to set it up. This 3-in-1 diffuser kit's very easy to use. You undo the lid, so you take and screw it into the base and then plug it up and then hit the switch. It's that simple. Now it also has a turnable switch on the back, so depending on which way your plug is facing, then you can plug it in like that and then turn it on. Your plug is facing the other way, well, you turn that right there and then plug it up and turn it on.